Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put picture on letterhead in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a letterhead page. Now we want to insert picture on this letterhead page. Go to the insert menu. Then click picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Then click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option. Then choose in front of text. Then resize the picture and set this letterhead. Now we can see here we insert or put a picture on this letterhead very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.